Hello, everybody. Wishing you a healthy day. I start with the next session of our science class. We are doing chapter 1. Okay? And up till now, we have seen sowing of seed as one of the tasks of agriculture. Now, adding manure and fertilizer. हम सीखेंगे हाउ टू ऐड एंड वाई टू ऐड मैन्योर और फर्टिलाइज़र टू आवर फील्ड. फॉर एन एग्ज़ाम्पल, मम्मी आपको एक स्नैक्स बॉक्स दे जिसमें केक भरा हो, एंड इफ शी टेल्स यू टू ईट वेन एवर यू फील लाइक ईटिंग केक. पहले दिन खाया थोड़ा, दूसरे दिन खाया, दूसरे दिन फिर से खाया, 2-3 बार आपने खाए, और फिर बाद में एक टाइम ऐसा आएगा कि जब आप डिब्बा खोलोगे तो उसमें केक मिलेगा नहीं, बिकॉज वेयर द केक्स हैव गॉन, द पीसेस ऑफ केक्स हैव गॉन इनटू योर स्टमक, राइट. कुछ ऐसा ही होता है फील्ड के साथ. द न्यूट्रिएंट्स ऑफ द सॉइल गेट्स रिड्यूस्ड जब फार्मर्स एक के बाद एक क्रॉप ग्रो करते जाते हैं अपने फील्ड में विदाउट गिविंग रेस्ट टू द फील्ड. रेस्ट मतलब बिना आराम दिए, रेस्ट मतलब आराम. अपने फील्ड को आराम दिए बिना एक के बाद एक क्रॉप लेते जाते हैं, तब क्या होता है, द सॉइल बिकम्स पुअर इन न्यूट्रिएंट्स. अगर न्यूट्रिएंट्स नहीं है तो प्लांट्स कैसे होंगे? The plants which you are going to grow or the crop which you are going to grow, they won't be healthy, they will be weak. So this is the reason why adding manure or fertilizer is necessary. Now, what are manures or fertilizers? Let's see the definition. The substances which are added to the soil in the form of nutrients for the healthy growth of plants are called manure and fertilizers. They are of two types: natural manures, that is called manures, and fertilizers, which are called artificial fertilizers, which are made in the industries. They are man-made. Man-made means they are produced in the industries. They are called artificial fertilizers. And manures are those fertilizers which can be obtained directly from the nature. Soil supplies mineral nutrients to the crop plants. These nutrients are essential for the growth of plants. In certain areas, farmers grow crop after crop in the same field. The field is never left uncultivated or fallow. Imagine what happens to the nutrients. As I said, continuous cultivation of crop makes the soil poor in nutrients, and therefore farmers have to add manure to the fields to replenish the soil with nutrients. To replenish the soil मतलब soil में फिर से nutrients भरने के लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? और what the farmer has to do? He has to add manure, and this process is called manuring. Soil में फिर से fertilizers, खाद, fertilizer को क्या कहते हैं, manure को क्या कहते हैं, खाद. फिर से खाद डालने के प्रोसेस को क्या कहते हैं हम? manuring. Replenishing the soil with manure is called manuring. Improper or insufficient manuring results in weak plants. कोई भी काम आप करो, अगर आपको प्रॉपर नॉलेज नहीं है, आप सही तरीके से नहीं करते हो, तो वो काम सक्सेसफुल नहीं होता, ये आपको पता है. तो उसी तरह से सिर्फ ये जानने से कि सॉइल में मैन्योर कम है तो मैन्योर डाल दो, तो ये सही नहीं है. कभी कभार ऐसा होता है कि सॉइल में ऑलरेडी न्यूट्रिएंट्स प्रेजेंट है और आप मैन्योर डालते जाओ और वो न्यूट्रिएंट्स यूटिलाइज ना हो, क्रॉप के द्वारा ना किया जाए तो फिर क्या होता है, ओवरडोजेज ऑफ न्यूट्रिएंट्स ऑल्सो डैमेजेस द प्लांट्स। तो ये आपको पता होना चाहिए व्हेन टू मैन्योर द फील्ड। only and if only the soil requires manure, then only you have to replenish it. Okay, so every task needs proper knowledge how to do it, and how much you have to use the manure is also necessary. वो knowledge होना जरूरी है. Now, as I told you previously, manure and artificial fertilizer, they both are the types of fertilizers. Manure, what is manure? Manure is an organic substance obtained from the decomposition of plant or animal waste. जो प्लांट के पत्ते, टहनियाँ और फिर एनिमल वेस्ट मतलब कि एक्सक्रीटास ऑफ एनिमल्स, फिर डेड इंसेक्ट्स, डेड एनिमल्स जो ज़मीन में पड़े होते हैं, फिर वो डिकम्पोज हो जाता है. डिकम्पोज मतलब सड़ जाना. सो मैन्योर्स कैन बी ऑब्टेन्ड बाय द डिकम्पोजिशन ऑफ प्लांट और एनिमल वेस्ट. Plant or animal waste are what type of waste? The dead plants, dried leaves, the dried flowers which wither out and fall on the ground. Then animal waste matlab excretas and urine of animals. These are called the wastes of plant or animals, that is the remains, dead remains of plants and animals and excretas of animals. They get decomposed and get converted to organic substance, and that organic substance is called manure. अब decomposition कैसे होता है? जब waste matter of animals and plants fall on the ground, they get decomposed by the microorganisms. Microorganisms वो जीवाणु होते, वो कीटाणु होते, जीवाणु होते खासकर जो आपको दिखते नहीं है. आप नेकेड आइज से अपनी आँखों से देख नहीं सकते, लेकिन वो इतने छोटे होते हैं. उनका काम ही होता है जो सॉइल में रहता है और नॉट ओनली इन द सॉइल, एटमॉस्फेयर में भी होते हैं जो हमें दिखते नहीं. तो वो क्या करते हैं, दे सेटल डाउन ऑन दिस डेड प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स और फिर उसको ब्रेक करते हैं इनटू सिंपलर फॉर्म, एंड दैट ब्रेकिंग अप ऑफ द कॉम्प्लेक्स सब्सटेंसेस इनटू सिंपलर फॉर्म इज कॉल्ड डिकम्पोजिशन. और माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स का काम क्या होता है, दे डिकम्पोज दीज वेस्ट मैटर्स ऑफ प्लांट एंड एनिमल्स and they convert into organic substance which is called manure. And this manure, organic manure, which is naturally obtained, increases or enhances the nutrients in the soil for the plants. Now we cannot rely on the nature to create or generate nutrients or manures naturally, but farmers what they do to get manures in mass or in bulk, what they do, they dig pit. They dig a pit and then they just dump the excretas or leftovers of plants and animals in this pit. Even they sometimes dump the residues of fuels, charcoal fuels, then wood when it is used as fuel. The ash they get from it, that ash is put in the pit. All these things they dump it in the pit and keep it, cover it. And that pit is specially dug under shade so that direct sunlight doesn't fall on it. It is covered, and over a time period of 15 days, the decomposition of this material takes place, and in the regular interval the farmer just turns the things which he has dumped in the pit for proper decomposition, and then after 15 days or so, though the use of fertilizers has helped farmers to get better yield of crops, the fertilizers cannot be excessively used because the excessive use of fertilizers has made the soil less fertile. So, fertilizers have also become a source of water pollution, and therefore, in order to maintain the fertility of the soil, we have to substitute fertilizers with organic manure or leave the field uncultivated. Leaving the field uncultivated can be also called fallowing or fallow. Fallow means to leave the field uncultivated in between two crops. Okay, so we know everything or everything has two sides, positive and negative. So when we are talking about manure and fertilizer, we do have advantages of manure, at the same disadvantages also of it, and same way fertilizers have advantages as well as disadvantages too. Now let's see what are the advantages and disadvantages, or in short we can take the differences between fertilizer and manure at the end of the advantages and disadvantages of both the things, manure and fertilizer. The use of manure improves soil texture as well as its water retaining capacity. Water retaining capacity means it can maintain the water level in the soil for longer time.